So I guess I'm able to set it. So the key thing to set this up with this is put it as close as possible. So I was forgetting that. So when I do this by placing it to the closest to this particular switch, I'm able to map it. So let's just try to map this button with this key, and we need to switch on the devices which is attached to this particular thing, because due to that it is not able to get mapped. So we need to press this and keep on pressing this, and now you can see it is able to map. So when I click this, you might be able to see the LED. That is the indication that it is getting mapped. So I will just turn on my switch and see whether it is working with this or not. So let's just press this. So now you can see it is switched on, and now this is switched off. And with the B button, it's still working. So this is the light which is attached to this button. So when I click on B, it is working, and when I click it again, it is turning it off. So that's how you can add use this remote with any RF base, RF based switches. So it can either be a similar remote, or it can be used with this particular wall switch model. So I hope you like the video. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.